Once upon a time, there lived a horse in a big jungle. He was very proud of himself. He saw a snail after seeing how slowly the nail moved. The horse started teasing him. Hey, snail, shall we race? Asked the horse. The snail was very angry with the horse. Okay, let's do it. We will race on Sunday, said the snail. The snail went home and called all the snails to discuss this issue. He told anyone about the race. They made a plan to outsmart the horse. Since all the snails look alike, they decide to confuse the horse with their intelligence. When Sunday came, they left home very early. They started hiding in places in little distances from each other, all the way from the starting point of the finishing line. The race started. The horse ran a little and looked down. It saw the snail ahead of him. The horse increased the pace with the snail which still ahead. The horse started running harder and faster. However, no matter how hard the horse tried, the snail was still ahead of him. The poor horse finally gave up after trying really hard. Okay, I lost, said the humble horse. The snail laughed out loudly.